Hello everyone. Today's recipe is stuffed beetroot pancakes. Now beetroot is one such vegetable which should be consumed every day in some form or the other. We usually make salad with this, but even the puree can be added to many dishes like idli batter, dosa batter, and today we are making pancakes, or you could also make beetroot pulao. The list is endless. You can be creative and try out many dishes with this nutritious vegetable. It gives a lovely color to any dish, makes it look so presentable, and also adds to the nutritional value. So let us start and make these pancakes today. The pancake rolls are so yummy, delicious, full of nutrition. We are going to use vegetarian filling today, but if you wish to add egg or paneer, choice is yours. You can try out many different variations. Let's get started. Stuffed beetroot pancakes, a very healthy option for breakfast or brunch. They are quite nice and filling and full of nutrition. Let's make the batter first. I've taken half cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of wheat flour, salt to taste, 1 egg. Vegetarians can skip the egg and add little baking powder. 2 tablespoons of beetroot puree. Give it a mix first with a spoon. Beetroot puree not only adds color to any dish, but also essential minerals and vitamins. It's very healthy. Try to incorporate beetroot in your daily diet. Now we'll add water little by little and whisk the batter. We have to make a smooth batter. Look at the lovely color. Add as much water as required to get a pouring consistency and a smooth batter. Whisk it very well. It's done. Quite nice and smooth now. Look at the texture. It should be like this, like dosa batter. Now we'll set this aside and proceed to make the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add thinly cut carrot sticks. Toss them a bit because carrot takes a little longer to cook. Next we'll add the bell pepper strips. I'm using red and yellow bell pepper. You can add the green one also if you have. Taken half a bell pepper of each color and 1 carrot. Add little salt to taste. And for seasoning, we are going to add a little bit of basil, dried basil, or add fresh one if you have. About 1/4 teaspoon, you can say. Little bit of pizza seasoning according to your taste, and some chilli flakes. Just these for seasoning. Give them a nice mix and do not overcook the stuffing. Let them remain crunchy. Just give them all a mix and switch off the gas flame. Now this is done. We'll remove this into a plate because the pan is still hot. If you leave it there, they'll continue to become soggy. The heat will cook them further. Now heat a griddle or a tawa, spray little oil on it and wipe it. Better to use dosa tawa. because we need large pancakes. Pour 2 ladles of the prepared batter and spread it like a dosa. As thin as you can. Spray little oil, or if you don't have a spray bottle, you can brush it. Let it cook on one side. Carefully flip the side of the pancake. Lovely. Spray little oil on the other side as well. Now turn it a couple of times to cook evenly. Don't make it crisp and crunchy. It has to remain soft, and the addition of egg will keep it soft. Once it is done, check it and then remove it into a plate. Now same way, make the remaining pancakes also. From this batter you get 3 large pancakes. Follow the same procedure and make the pancakes ready. Now let's assemble the rolls. We have the veg stuffing ready, then some avocado slices, cheese spread. If you don't have cheese spread, you can also use mayonnaise. Spread it on the pancake. Now this is done. Place the avocado slices. Now the filling goes on top of them. Here I've used only carrots and bell peppers. You can also use broccoli or any stuffing that you have at home. You could even use paneer along with bell peppers. Now make the roll. First fold the edges and then fold it like a spring roll. Gently roll it. Here we go. One roll is ready. Repeat the same with all the remaining pancakes. Isn't it a very healthy option for breakfast or brunch? So, the beetroot also can be replaced with spinach puree for a change. Sometimes you can try out with spinach puree and different filling. It makes a perfect lunchbox dish also. So do give it a try and share your feedback. If you like the recipe, share the video with your friends too. And don't forget to subscribe if you are a new visitor on my channel. Happy cooking, make and enjoy. Thank you for watching. And here are some videos from the archives. Check them out as well. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.